Hey guys, welcome back to Dinner Made Easy with Dina, and we're going to make a pasta salad. This is perfect for your next picnic. So we're going to boil about 2 quarts of water, and we're going to add some salt into that water, and I'm going to put about a half of a package of this rainbow pasta in the water. Make sure you stir your pasta and follow the directions on the box for your cooking instructions. Now I'm going to start prepping some of our vegetables that we're going to put in our salad. I've started with a half a zucchini and I have diced that so that it's a bite size. And then we've gone on to about a quarter of a red onion. I'm dicing that up and we'll get that all squared away. And the next thing we're going to add to that is going to be some little mozzarella cheese balls that I got from the deli and some cherry tomatoes. Now I'm going to take these cherry tomatoes after I've washed them and I'm going to half those cherry tomatoes in preparation for our salad. Now you can add just about anything you want to your salad. I'm just adding the things that I know that we really like, and this is going to make a great salad for springtime, for backyard barbecues, whatever you want it for. This is a really fresh salad. So I'm just taking a couple handfuls of those mozzarella cheese balls. And then I also have some pepperoni sticks that I'm going to throw into this, and you're going to see that. I'm just going to take about a half of a big pepperoni stick, and I'm going to slice that up and add it in. Now you don't have to put this in if you don't like that, but we really enjoy it with that in there, and it just really complements the rest of the salad. Hey, if you're enjoying the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We found some olives we're going to add to this in just a little bit. I also have some fresh parsley, and I'm going to roll that up and slice that up. That's going to give it another really great fresh take on this salad. And you don't need a whole lot, just maybe a couple tablespoons full. And then I am going to add my black olives when I start adding the other goodies into our salad. Okay, our pasta noodles are done, and we are going to run some cold water to stop the cooking process. And then we're going to move on to the next step of mixing all these wonderful fresh ingredients together. Okay, let's make sure that we don't overcook these noodles, guys. It's super, super important because you want them to be nice and sturdy. Now you can use a different kind of noodle if you'd like. I like these kind of rolly ones because the sauce gets in them and it just adds for more flavor to our pasta salad. Okay, we're going to move on to our next step, and that's to make our sauce. So I'm starting out with about 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, and then to that 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, I'm going to add some, and I use Bernstein's creamy Italian dressing, and it's the Cheese Fantastico. And you can use any kind you like, but that's just what I like. And then I put about 1/3 of a cup of that in with the mayonnaise, give that a good mix, and then that we're going to set aside until we get all of our other ingredients in. And here we go with those. Just look at the colors and how fresh that salad is. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. So after adding these ingredients, then we're going to give it a little stir. And then we're going to add those olives in after we get this combined a little bit. And just look at how gorgeous that is. This pasta salad is really going to shine when it comes to your picnic. I am not even exaggerating. This is beautiful and it is so, so tasty. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try because it really is worth your time. Now listen guys, it's real important that you make your salad about 2 hours before your picnic so it has plenty of time for all those wonderful flavors to kind of marry together in the refrigerator and continue to get cold. So remember, I used equal parts mayonnaise to equal parts that Italian Bernstein's Cheese Fantastico salad dressing. And we're just going to mix that together really, really well. And you know that we're going to have to taste this because, well, we just have to. It just smells so incredible. We're going to give that a taste test. Really, really tasty. So give it a shot. Serve it at your next picnic, or just have it because you want to. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. I appreciate all you guys. See you next time.